Hi, everybody. This is Biagio with BeehiveKits.org. And if you're new to the site, BeehiveKits.org has a wide variety of beekeeper supplies and beehive starter kits, as well as a huge learning center that's filled with educational materials where you can learn all about beekeeping if you're getting started. So before we begin, I encourage you to check out the Learning Center and just get a feel for all of the different equipment that you'll need. And we also offer a free beekeeping 101 guide that you can download totally free. So I just encourage those of you that are new to the hobby to read through all the information just to get a feel for what you'll need and kind of how to get started. So that being said, today I'm going to be reviewing one of our Beehive starter kits. So if we head over to the shop section and we go to our Beehive kits, specifically I'm going to be looking at the Little Giant starter kit. So I just want to run through what the kit contains, and we're just going to go through that right now. So you'll see it has Langstroth Design Hive. So that's the actual beehive box here. That's the design that it is. Typically, there's two types. There's Langstroth and there's top bar hives. Again, you can learn more about each one in the Learning Center. It comes with the frames. So inside of the box, there's frames that the bees will use to build their honeycomb on. And it also comes with a hive smoker, sting-proof beekeeper gloves, a protective veil or beekeeper hat, a bee brush, a hive tool, beeswax, and I thought this was a great touch for this actual kit, Beekeeping for Dummies book, which really helps those of you that are new. So again, I hope the review was helpful. Feel free to browse the other kits in the shop section and check out some of the other items that we have to offer. I really encourage you to go through our Learning Center and just learn as much as you can before you get started with this hobby. Thanks so much for your time. I wish you the best of luck getting started, and have a great day.